Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this lecture, I am going to explain the dynamic type in C#. The dynamic type was introduced in C# version 4, ASP.NET Framework version 4.5. The C# compiler skips compile time type checking for dynamic type variable. Instead, it resolves the type checking at runtime. A dynamic keyword is used to declare dynamic type variables. Let's switch to Visual Studio to understand this practically. Here I have created three dynamic data type variables and assigned them the integer, string and the datetime values respectively. I have also used the getType method to get the exact runtime type of these variables. So now if we run this program using Ctrl F5, the compiler should print the exact runtime type of these values assigned to the dynamic data type variables. So as you can see here, it prints system.in32 for integer data type, system.string for string value, and the system.datetime for the datetime value. Mostly the dynamic types are compiled into the object time at most of the times, but the actual value is decided at runtime only. The type of the dynamic type variable changes based on the value that has been assigned to the dynamic variable. So let's talk about conversion. The conversion from dynamic type to other type and vice versa is very easy. So any object can be converted to dynamic type implicitly. The compiler takes care of it, so the programmers don't have to write the extra code to cast that variable explicitly. And the dynamic type variables can be assigned to their respective data types. So here, as you can see in the image, the dynamic type variable count is assigned to the integer type variable C because it contains the integer value. Similarly, the dynamic type variable name has been assigned to the first name variable of string data type, and the dynamic type variable myDate, which contains the datetime value, is assigned to the new date variable of datetime data type. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification every time I upload new video. Thank you.